Hi there, Fiyole lets you save up to 4 message templates that can be used later while sending invites or messages. In this video, let's see how to do the same. To do so, click on the Manage Messages on Fiyole menu box. Now, click on the Add button. Add in the message name and type in the message text. You can also use short codes in the messages. Now, click on Add button. Fiyole saves your message for future use. You can also edit or delete any of your messages. To see how it works, let's send a message. Click on Message First Contacts. Select the saved message template. Now click the Send button. As you can see, the message is added automatically and sent.